It's Earth Day and I'm celebrating Earth Day with Daily Harvest. Daily Harvest makes it so easy for us to eat our fruits and vegetables every day, and they also help take care of our planet and future generations by focusing on compostable and recyclable packaging, farm frozen food that help reduce food waste, transitional organic farming, and they have equitable labor practices. And I have been with Daily Harvest for many months now, at least more than half a year, and what I love about their products is they make it easy for me to make healthy choices even when I'm busy and on the go. And I received a package for them in celebration of Earth Day, so let's go ahead and open it up. Matcha and Murasaki bites, mint cacao smoothie, banana green smoothie, matcha and lemongrass latte, Lake and Fiona grits forager bowl, gigante bean and savoy cabbage harvest bowl, broccoli and rice and dill pilaf harvest bowl, artichoke and spinach flatbread, and gigante bean and artichoke oleo harvest bake. And if you want to try Daily Harvest for yourself, you can use my code MYWASTELESSLIFE to get up to $40 off your first box. The link will be in my bio, so go check it out.